Chrome is a powerful browser by Google and it makes more productive or more efficient when it is added Chrome extensions. In this video, we are talking about 5 best Chrome extensions which you can increase your productivity while you are browsing Chrome extensions. And the sixth one, you are going to be loved when you watch this sixth one. This is the bonus one. If you want to know what is the sixth one, you have to watch till the end. Then how to add these extensions on Chrome? Simply go to their website, search the name of the extensions, then there is a button called add to Chrome. Just add to Chrome and that's you are going to boom. The first one is Todoist. It's a very simple to-do list to help you to keep yourself organized and stress free. This app has been praised by The Guardian, USA Daily, the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, Forbes and many more, which makes it one of the contenders of this list. Just click on the Todoist icon in your extension tray and you will be able to see all of your Todoist task list. Click add a website as a task and Todoist will save the URL of the page you are currently viewing, so you can navigate right back to it when you are ready to complete the task. To capture tasks even faster, you can highlight any text on the page and right click and add to the Todoist for the menu to create a new task in your inbox. It literally takes few seconds to do these tasks. So let's use the Todoist app to complete your list when you are browsing the Chrome browser. The second one is Grammarly. Not only does Grammarly extension check the usual grammar and spelling mistake, it will also give you suggestions on style, tone and word choice to make all your writing inside Chrome bold, clear or mistake free. Grammarly lets you check your content and give you the right placement of the same, which you can directly change in a few clicks. For a writer in you, Grammarly is the most of Chrome extension. In shortly, the Grammarly extensions is your constant writing assistant to make you a more effective communicator. Even I am using the Grammarly for many months and it's a favorite of native and non-native English speakers like me. The third one is Pocket. One of the greatest thing about the internet is that it's full of things worth reading and watching. The problem comes when you stumble across those interesting things when you should be doing something else. Enter Pocket. You can think of a Pocket as your personal library of things from the internet that you want to read or watch. Throughout the day or week, you can use the Pocket Chrome extensions to quickly save articles to your browser, so you don't get sidetracked in the moment. Then you can come back later in the next day or week and work through your library as your leisure. The reading experience inside the app is very beautiful. It syncs seamlessly across all your devices. It keeps your place so you don't have to read the whole article in one sitting, and you can even access your library offline so you are not burning through data. The fourth one is strict overflow. Productivity by definition is going work done as quickly as possible. But while that leads many to concentrate on hitting work and maximum focus for as long as you possible, this isn't necessarily the best ideas. Truth is, it's actually bordering on impossible to task for extended periods out without taking a break. Strict overflow is a site blocking extension that let you bake this into your day. First, you can populate your blocked list site list, then you can specify your work and then rest period. Just go to extension tray, then you can view options, then you can see which sites you are blocking on the list. Then this is the sites you are blocking in the list. You can add all of your distraction websites in this list, and then you can set your work minute and then the break minute. This is the default setting, that a work minute is 25 minutes and a break minute is 5 minutes, and that uses Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of work and 5 minutes of break. The fifth one is Google Keep. Is a extension that use when you want to keep all of your data neatly and organized. Its primary function is to help you to take note, create a to-do list. You can also save images, pages, and then you can add a note to them. You can even take notes by making voice memos and later it is transcribed. Google Keep also lets you set up location-based reminders for your notes and lists. Say you have to do some on-location research for a travel app. Just make a list of all the details you should keep an eye and set the location-based reminder so that Google Keep pulls you your list as soon as you get to the location. To make your notes even more organized, so you don't have to waste your time looking for them, you can color code them and associate with labels. Labels can help you to organize your notes. And the sixth one and the bonus one, the last one is Just Read. Every website has so much distraction in their feed. They want you to click on ads, sign up for emails, attend webinars, click to the next article, and do a number of things other than read what you come to read. But this is the fair thing. They offer you something that they can benefit of and you can benefit of also. The Just Read extension let you strip away all that other stuffs and wells for Just Read. If you want to just read, then with a click or a keyboard shortcut, you can remove a page, add pop-ups and comments also. You can even customize the styling of the page or switch to a dark theme for reading that easier on the eye. These extensions will make you feel like an all-powerful reader of the internet. These are these 6 Chrome extensions. The first one is Todoist, second one is Grammarly, third one is Pocket, fourth one is Strict Overflow, fifth one is Google Keep, and sixth one is Just Read. Thank you for watching and listening this video, and make sure to comment which of the best Chrome extensions you are using now, and which of these six Chrome extensions you will be add to your Chrome extension.